This content has been deemed inappropriate for children under 13. Viewer discretion is advised. This is for adults only. Adult collectibles.
What's up, you guys? It's ZacJacDan back with another Every Marvel Legends video. This time I'm talking about every Groot Marvel Legends from the Guardians of the Galaxy. So there was never a Toy Biz Guardians of the Galaxy figure at all. So the first Groot figure was himself and the Build-A-Figure wave from Guardians of the Galaxy 1. You had to collect all 6 of these figures in order to build him. And here he is. So then in the Entertainment Earth website, there was an exclusive box set for the Guardians. Came with all 5 of the Guardians that we know of today: Drax, Rocket, Gamora, Star-Lord, and of course Groot. And this Groot's pretty much the same frame as the Build-A-Figure, except this time we have a different head. Hopefully to make it more comic accurate, I guess. And then Toys R Us gave us a evolution of Groot figure. Came with a baby Groot, a seedling Groot, and Groot himself smiling from the movie this time. So this kind of took the value away from the Build-A-Figure, but also gave us a different Groot here. So then in the Mantis Build-A-Figure wave, we had the Guardians of the Galaxy Baby Groot again, this time with a suit on, jumpsuit on. Came inside the Rocket's box, Rocket Raccoon's box. And then in a 3-pack with Thor and Rocket, you had Teenage Groot from the Avengers Infinity War, and this was a Toys R Us exclusive. So here are all the Groots we've seen so far loose. And here they all are in package. And guys, I'd love to see this Groot right here in the middle with his actual comic book accurate costume on. Let me know what you guys think about that. Check out my other Every Marvel Legends videos up here. My top 10 lists. Hit that thumbs up, notification bell, all that good stuff, and I'll talk to you guys later.